country people, we don't still take it put on top of our Ogbonge program inside Edo. On top inside Edo today, we bring on our Ogbonge information on top the swearing-in ceremony of new commissioners and special advisors enter Edo State Government, ESCO, that are the executive arm of government. Edo State Government don't swear in new 6 commissioners and 5 special advisors. The commissioners na Felix Akabwe, Joe Ikpeha, Moses Agbako, Damian Lawani, Momo Omorogbe, Mari Edeko, and the special advisors na Kabiru Ajoto, Magdalene Ohehe, Andrew Momodu, and Ojo Aizen.
Right Honorable Ajoto Kabiru, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
Obaseki come follow them talk after them swear them in finish. He congratulate the new commissioners them and the new special advisors. He can't talk on top the commissioners we just said finish where this one take enter office. He said them do well and as Oyinbo they talk say none of them they wanting. He means say them no do bad for Edo State government and the office with them owed. He talk say them select these new ones based on their experience, their background and the work with them fit do for Edo State government and Edo State people. We can see governor come follow them talk say the devil of Edo State na Koko, and at this one I won't make them advise the new commissioners and special advisors. Say make them serve the people well as this one I be the primary assignment will carry them enter the office.
First, let me start by congratulating the newly sworn in commissioners and special advisors. While I'm congratulating you, I want to use this opportunity to thank those commissioners and special advisors who served with me until a few weeks ago. You have contributed your own bits, your own quota to the history of Edo State, and you were not found wanting. In the life of any administration or any system, you step back at some points to reflect, to undertake a review with the purpose of strengthening your areas of weaknesses and filling in the gaps that you may have noticed. That is why exercises like this are necessary. Today, we've just sworn in a new batch of commissioners and special advisors. We took our time to look at the areas of gaps, the areas of requirements between now and the end of this term of this administration. And in our search, we found all of you very worthy and capable to fill the gaps. The challenge of development is quite enormous. Nigeria is at a watershed in its development process. And this watershed is not only occurring at the federal level, I think more importantly, is at the state level. Selection process for the candidates, like I said, was based on the background checks we have undertaken on all of you, the experience we know you have garnered over the years, and our expectations. As I told the current set of commissioners when I swore them in a few years ago, I said to them, this is a call for service. All of these people who have come with you today, family and friends, yes, they have come to congratulate you and support you, but you are being given public trust. And this public trust is not to be used by you exclusively for the benefit of your family and friends. It is to be used for the betterment of Edo State and Edo people.
Damian Lawani na him talk on behalf of his colleagues, the one where they just swear in. He said them ready gidigba to work with Obaseki administration to develop Edo, as e be say them as commissioners na two people na in them suppose fear, God and government. He can talk say the government na the people and them ready gidigba to serve Edo people. Say the work of commissioners na today committed to serve the people, and na this one na in them ready to do for Edo State people and Obaseki administration. Damian Lawani can tell Governor Godwin Obaseki say them as commissioners and special advisors say if any of them no do well or they can't sideline Edo State government on top the work with them supposed to do, may Obaseki may serve them paper and make them go sit down for house.
It is a time to reflect on what you have done, where we are, and how to take it from there. A commissioner, in the true actual sense of it, is one who is commissioned to be committed to the service of his master for the benefit of the state. By the time you found us not to be committed and worthy to serve you, please sack us. Because God is not found anywhere. The two people you fear on earth is government and God. For this, Your Excellency, when we serve you, we believe we are serving the general interest of Edo State, and that we shall do. We were told when you came, your name was Wig and Sea, not Mosquito. As we speak, when you build a house and there are ponds around the house and there are waters around the house, mosquito will come in. And the highest killing disease in the world today, Your Excellency, according to United Nations, is mosquito. And if you are not careful, if you play with mosquito, you are dead. Your Excellency, we are ready to be mosquito-treated, infected commissioners that are ready to stand by you, stand with you, and stand for you, for the benefit of Edo State. Thank you for this opportunity on behalf of my colleagues. We are very grateful.
I am ready to build on what the governor is already doing. Make sure say waiting at those state people want, we do them. Like the good road, the good school, and the security the governor they provide for Edo people. We go join hand with them to make sure say we give all of them to Edo people.
All the better things when they do before to take Edo State to greater next level, we go join hand with Anna to make sure say Edo State better pass even as we meet them before.
For me, I know our own is to come and support the government. And that support is to make sure the government serve our people well. And I go to serve our people. People who no get road go get road. People who no get light go get light. People who no sabi do business before, they go teach them. Give them small money, make that they do business. If they give you 50,000 today, make they do business. Next year, they give you 100,000. Next year, you might will employ people. Because of that, unemployment will come to reduce small. So our own when we come here, and make us support the government to make sure say Edo State better way for our people.
So waiting me, I get for mind now say to make sure say the people, now because of the people, now I make them pick us as commissioner to make sure say the welfare of the people, the good of the people, the interest of the people, they our heart every time.
Today they appoint me. Now only God now fit do that kind one. So for me, I give glory to God. And you know say our people talk say to whom much is given, much is expected. As it be say they give me this position again, so wetin e mean to me be say na opportunity to do more. Those one wey be say I no fit do before today, so now another opportunity don come.
My country people, now here we see the Ogbonge Informate reach on top of our Ogbonge program inside Edo until the swearing in ceremony of new commissioners and special advisors enter Edo State government cabinet. And this one we do one with Governor Godwin Obaseki, the vacancy governor of Edo State, as he ready gidigba to work with these new people to carry Edo State waka go the next level. To come they continue to get this Ogbonge Informate until as they be for inside Edo State, for inside on our Ogbonge program inside Edo. Mona, no forget to follow, like and subscribe for our YouTube channel. channel for T Live Media TV. And una no forget to follow us enter Facebook for T Live Media. Inside Edo, na una program.